Hello students, welcome to Ekcel Academy's YouTube channel. Now this is a video presentation on the ICSI's mock test which is available on their website. We will be explaining you the steps that you have to follow to take up this mock test, and let's see how it will help you to prepare yourself. Now why are we stressing so much on the mock tests? It's very simple. Once I was talking to Alok sir and I asked him what is the major differentiator between the students who clear the exam and the ones who don't clear. So he told me it's very simple. The ones who clear would have solved a lot of questions, lot of MCQs, and the ones who don't pass are the ones who would have ignored the test part of it. So they just focus on the syllabus and read and write and study, and that might not be enough. We are not telling it's not important, but that might not be enough. So solving more and more questions are very, very important. So here ICSI itself has come up with a mock test and it's available on their website. So let me just take you through the steps that you have to follow to take up this test. First thing is log on to www.icsi.edu. That's the first thing to be done. So this is the website that opens for you. This is the home page of ICSI website, right? Then scroll down on that page and then select CSEET. This icon should be selected, CSEET. Very simple. Go to their home page, scroll down and click on CSEET. After that, this page opens for you. All these updates, the new updates are available once you click on CSEET. Select CSEET mock test. Very simple. You just have to click on CSEET mock test. Then this page opens. Here you have to give the login ID and the password. Login ID is ICSI. Password is also ICSI. Remember, both the login ID and the password should be in upper cap, that is in capitals. Then I confirm my attendance by logging in. This has to be checked. Remember, this has to be checked, and then you can click on sign in. Then follow the flow. You just need not do anything. This candidate name and roll number comes. It is all fictitious. You need not do anything. Then you need to check here. I confirm the details are correct. That's all. You just have to check this box here and click on continue. Then you get this instruction sheet, which is very, very important. And you get 10 minutes. You get 10 minutes to read all these instructions. We advise you first time read the instructions really well. It says that login ID and there are 120 questions. You get 120 minutes, and after 60 minutes you can log out of the test. All these things are given to you. Read the instructions. You will also come to know about the different sections. The different sections are business communication, legal aptitude, logical reasoning, economics and business environment, current affairs. And the marks distribution is also given to you. 35 for business communication, 35 for legal aptitude and logical reasoning, 35 marks is allotted for economics and business environment, and 15 marks for current affairs. And there are certain questions which will be for 1 mark. There are certain questions which will be for 2 marks. So the total marks allotted is 170. So this is what we understand, right? So let's go ahead. Now confirm after reading. If you scroll down that information sheet, instruction sheet, at the end there is another checkbox which you have to confirm. I confirm that I have understood all the instructions. So you have to check this box and then click on start exam. Then the exam sheet will open. It's called the test panel. Very important. See here, test is ICSI mock test, and there are sections here. You can select any of these sections. You can start with business communication or legal aptitude, economics or current affairs. Whichever subject you find easy, interesting, or in whichever subject you have the higher level of confidence, you can start with it. There is no problem, right? So your name and your register number will get displayed here, and there is a timer which keeps ticking here. You have to keep in mind you get 120 minutes, and after 60 minutes you can log out of the test and you can get the results, right? If you click on resources, you get all the resources that are required. Now this part is very, very important. As and when you answer, for example, this is question number 71 here. The moment you answer here, question number 71 gets marked. If it is not answered, it continues to be white. If you see here, all these numbers are in white background. It means that none of these questions are answered. Once you answer, it becomes green. You can always go back and change the answer also. There is no hard and fast rule which says that once you answer it is locked. No, you can go back and you can change it, right? Marked for review, if you want to review, you can keep it for review and it will be orange in color, and answered and marked, it turns to blue. So that's how this table helps you to understand how many questions you have answered, how many questions are yet to be answered, if there are any questions which you have kept for further review. All these details you get in that block, right? So at the end of the examination, you can click submit and your score appears on the screen. So this is how the mock test helps. And the general instructions link is also provided to you in the description. You can click, read everything. All that I explained to you is in the instruction sheet. If you want further details, you can read it once or twice to have clarity. The best thing to do is log on, take up 2-3 tests, then you will be able to have complete control over this entire mock test process. I hope this video was of some help to you. If you still have any doubts on mock test, you can leave it in the comment section. We shall get back to you with answers. Thank you.